I got a lot of wind today, but today we're gonna replace the headlights on this Expedition. If your headlights look like this, looks like somebody put maybe some clear coat on here to try to make this better, but you can see the UV damage in here. You cannot clean these, they're too far gone. The good thing is Amazon replacement's only like $100, so let's get her done. This job's incredibly easy. We only have 2 bolts come out, and then these little pegs in here slide into the side, so we're gonna rock it out once we get these 2 bolts out. All right, we're just gonna pull our harnesses out. There's one, that one's kind of loose. Pull that one out, the tabs broke off, that's not abnormal. It is what it is. We're gonna reuse our turn signal and install our new one. Our turn signal and our new one here. Hook our harness in. That was already broken, but it'll be fine. Should stay in there without a problem. And then we're gonna hook our main harness in here. And then we'll push her back in. Okay, before we go and push this in, again, that right there, you see, is going to slide into this little hole right here with that grommet. And then the top one will slide in the top hole up here. We're going to loosen up the height adjuster just a little bit, because that's going to fit right into that little slot right there. So you're gonna loosen up this bolt for the height adjuster, and you're gonna leave enough space so it slides right into this little slot right here as you push in firmly and get the grommet the seat. So we just gave her a firm push. We got our grommet the seat. We took this out a little bit more so that that washer would sit over the piece right there, and we'll tighten her down. We'll readjust her. We're just gonna make it firm, nothing crazy. And then we'll readjust her once we get the headlights. Now we're doing the right side. If you find that it won't pull out, you just want to loosen up the beam adjustment bolt. It just means that someone pancaked that thing down. So loosen that up and it should pull right out. So we got the headlight in. We will adjust these once it's dark. Just put them on a flat surface. There's 2 adjustment bolts, the one that we loosened up and then the one on the side for high beam and low beam. Very easy to do. If you want to see me do it, put it in the comments. I'll do a video on it. Flat ground, face it about 10-15 yards back from a garage door. So 5 minutes, about $100, and she looks like new. And this applies to the F150 and also Expeditions, the regular length and the XLs. As you can see, it looks beautiful. Completely changes the look of the truck. Actually looks newer. So in any case, like, subscribe, and share if you like stuff like this. We do improvements and general maintenance all the time. So thank you for watching.